Now, how can a tax-exempt bond of short-term nature be selling at a 3.5% rate 1 week, and 1 week later on Valentine's Day be at 8%, and 1 week after that be at 10%? It's now back to 4.2%. Now, those are huge dislocations in markets. That's crazy. This happened with billions and billions and billions of dollars of securities. Those are markets of extreme dislocation, and you find those occasionally. And those are great times to make unusual amounts of money.
Yeah, what is interesting is that how brief these opportunities to take advantage of dislocations frequently are. But the dislocation was very brief.
But very extreme.
But very extreme. And so if you can't think fast and act resolutely, it does you no good. So you're like a man standing by a stream trying to spear a fish, and the fish just comes by once a week or once a month or once every 10 years. And you've got to be there to throw that spear fast before the fish swims on. It's a pretty demanding business if you do it right.
I mean, in the junk bond market, there was a 3 or 4 month period in 2002 where some really incredible things happened, and they happened on a large scale. So
yeah, it happens about twice a century.
Yeah. Which means that he and I have only had 4 or 5 times when we could do it.
My question is, what are the mental tricks you have, or how do you overcome these behavioral and emotional traps like anchoring, and what advice do you have for us?
Well, that's a good question, and of course, at first, in recognition of the fact that they can be traps, and that you will be affected by them, and you will make some mistakes because of them. But Charlie, in poor Charlie's Almanac, which I proudly do take credit for the name of, and he talks about the various psychological traps that people fall into, and simply reading that section, you will come away wiser than before you started on it.